Hey everybody, Wahlburger Wisdom. Ostrichgeddon has come to Canada. Yes, that's what we do in Canada. We like to slaughter birds, big birdies that are 35 years old plus. So what's the story? So we've got 400 ostriches that are on a farm in BC. You say, why? Why would they have 400 ostriches in British Columbia, Canada? Well, apparently their eggs produce some amazing antibodies that fight against H5, HN, H1, whatever the disease is. These eggs cure it. Well, the CFIA, the Canadian Food Inspection Agency, can't have that. So they've recruited 40 police officers and multiple vehicles, multiple pieces of equipment to go in there to cull these 400. Now they did test earlier, months ago, and there were some that were sick. And of course, they died, they're gone. But now these poor people who are running this farm, imagine an ostrich farm in Canada, to keep that alive. Another CFIA, ooh, scary with those letters put together. CFIA is saying, we're gonna come in and cull them. Everybody, pass this around. Ostrichgeddon is here. Let's not let it happen. That is not Canadian. What the hell are we coming to? Let the birds live. Share this, okay? Have a good one, everyone. Bye-bye.